Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new, and welcome on into today's video. We are going to be unboxing my Fabfitfun box for spring 2024. Happy freaking March, y'all. My birthday is March 5th. Happy birthday to all my March babies and Pisces, of course. If you're unfamiliar with the Fabfitfun box, this is a seasonal or a quarterly box. And unlike a lot of the more makeup heavy boxes, this one has makeup, home goods, hair, health, fitness, pet. They kind of run the gamut with things, so I really like this box overall. It is not my favorite box. I'm gonna note that right now. I already forgot what I picked, and I think I did get a couple of add-ons, which I'm assuming are these few products right here, and the box is already about to fall. I did get some Invisibobbles. Pretty sure I got that in like my little add-ons thing. And then I also got these, which I did not think they were this type of a fabric. They are the classic knotted hair ties. I probably won't keep these. I thought they were like standard bands. And then I also got the recycled plastic banana clips 2-piece set. Those I will keep, and I'm really excited about that. So you can go in and shop. You can do add-ons and things like that as well. Let me take everything out and we'll dive in. Alright, first up, I got this cute little like tote bag, backpack thing. It is the Beyond Yoga bag. And then it has like the little bottom part in it. It's this beautiful kind of deep like taupey gray shade. So I was really excited about that. Do I really need this? No, probably not. But the choices this month were not my favorite, or this season were not my favorite. So I kind of just got what I thought I could use, and or I could pay it forward for gifts and stuff. Anyways, next up I got the NewCo Hair, the Super Thick conditioner and shampoo. It is hair growth and density shampoo, and it is a full size of both. So if you've tried these, I would love your feedback, but I'm excited to give that a whirl. Next up, I got the Beekman 1802 Dream Booster Bakuchiol Better Aging Serum. That looks so nice. It says an age-defying serum to help reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles with Bakuchiol, Squalane, and Holy Basil. And it actually looks pretty thin in there. Like, that is a very like watery, water-like serum. Not a consistency I see a whole lot. Next up is the Cloud Air Light Volumizing Mousse with sugarcane extract for natural volume, texture, and shine. Again, not something I would use all the time. There, look, y'all, I really was not thrilled with the choices. And of course, if you were, then that's great. But just, I don't know, not all my preferences, so to speak. Next up is the African Botanics, the Muscle Pain Relief Recovery Gel, Muscle Gel. And this I actually am excited about. I am excited about the serum. Oh, you know what? I'm overall excited. I'll say that. But I'm super excited about this. As y'all know, I'm working on my fitness goals and such, so I feel like I could definitely use that. And then last up, did I need these? No. This is the Millennium Collection Glassware, the 10-ounce Millennium Stemware glasses, a set of 4. And I did like these, and we do entertain sometimes and, you know, kind of set out real dishes occasionally, but I will show them to you. But here's what they look like. I actually think they're beautiful. I love the shape. I love the colors. And I do think that they are perfect for springtime. So that is my box. That is short and sweet. There's not really anything I can like test out or try on. And again, it's not my holy grail box, but there are things in here that I feel like can tend to be a little bit more practical. So if that's something that you're into, like I said, we have received fitness items, pet items, and stuff like that. So I feel like my value is here for sure. I do like to go in and shop and get the add-ons as well. But I feel like for me personally, it just was not my favorite selection of items to choose from this time around. If you do get Fabfitfun, I would love to hear your thoughts on the spring selections. Not a bad box, not my favorite. Yeah, that is it. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I truly appreciate y'all. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.